Another thing that I want to try while that's cooling down is Knott's Berry Farm or something. We bought one of these little vials of gold flakes, and it's turned black over the years. So I want to take that gold out of there and figure out how much there is. Now, that liquid in there is not water. That's oil. It's oil to make the flakes float. They would sink straight down in water. So getting the oil off of these flakes is going to be difficult. Gold is so malleable that they crush it into super fine, almost one atom thick layers of gold. So all of those together aren't going to add up to very much. It looks like a lot, but it's not at all. Okay, so here's what I have now. I mixed lots of soap and water with the oil to try to make an emulsion so I could pour it all off. I was hoping the gold would sink in the water and oil emulsion, but it did not. So I filtered it out with a paper towel, not using dishes from the kitchen. Shh, don't tell my wife I use dishes from the kitchen. And now I just have to figure out how to get the gold off the paper towel into a container where I can dry it out. I might just let the whole paper towel dry out and put it in a container and weigh it. Okay, here we go. I don't think I got it all dried out. I think there's still some of the oil stuck to it. I'm not sure it's oil. It smells terrible. Maybe like kerosene or something. Some of it's still black. I don't know what caused that, but let's see how it goes. I have a container on the scale. I'll zero it out, and I'm going to do like they do on Gold Rush. I'm going to pour it in slowly. Remember, 1 gram of gold is worth about $65 right now. They're 0.01, 0.02. This is how they do it on Gold Rush, right? 0.0 grams. 0.02. 0.03 grams is how much gold there was in there. So I'm going to have to do a little math. There's how much it's worth. So there it is. It went down to 0.02, but if I blow on the scale, it'll go up to 0.03 again. Either way, it's about $1.95 worth of gold. So is it worth it when you go to Knott's Berry Farm and they sell you the little bottle for $10 or $15 or $20? No. But is it cool to put on your desk and say you have some real 24 karat gold flakes? Maybe. I don't know. So here I wanted to show you what all that gold flake looks like when it's squeezed down into a little gold nugget. That's it. That tiny little bit of gold there is all that came out of all those flakes that were filling that jar. Gold is so malleable and ductile that you can squash it into a very, very fine sheet and make it look like it's a lot more gold than it really is. That's it. That's all of it. All right, see you next time on Gold Prospector School.